Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use grep command on Linux. So first of all we need to open our terminal, so I will go into show apps and press on terminal right here. And what is grep command used for? Grep command is used for basically to search for text patterns inside files or even in the output of other commands. So I will show you both examples in this video, I think. But at the beginning I want to say that I prepared a file. This will be our first example. So this file contains 3 lines. Each line is almost the same, but there are a difference in this file word, because in this case it's written in only small letters. In this case it's written in half big and half small, and this is written in only big letters. And I will show you how to use grep command on this file. So how do we do it? At the beginning we need to type in grep, of course, and right now we have to type the word that we are looking for. So we will look for file, and right now we have to type in file.txt, because this is the file that we will search in. And as you can see, my grep command showed me only the sentence when the file is written in small letters. How do we ignore basically letter case? For example, we want to show every file no matter what letter case we are using. We have to add an option. The option is -i. It is basically from ignore. And again, we can type in file and from file.txt. As you can see, right now I have all the sentences displayed. And another pretty interesting option could be can be basically numbering the lines. So you can add the number next to each line. So I can add option -n. We can combine this option. I can, for example, write -n like this, and I will have only one line, and I can combine it with I. So right now I will have 3 lines. That's how it works. And right now we can, of course, if we don't want to display whole sentence but only the word, we can add another option that will be -o. So for example, I can do something like this, -o, and right now file, of course file like this, file in file.txt. As you can see, right now I have only the word, not the whole sentence. And of course I can again combine it. So for example, we can use these options, so I, N and O, and as you can see I have 3 words right now. Of course we can use it with comments, as I said before, or maybe not with comments right now, but we can use it with really long files, because it is the most useful. For example, with system logs. So for example, I will show you how to do it. So for example, I can type something like this, -o, in order to see only the word, not whole sentence, and number, because I want to see the amount of lines. And right now I can type in error, and we will search in system logs. So for example, log and syslog, and of course that will not work because I forgot to type in sudo, because we need administration permissions in order to do it. And right now we have to type in our password, and as you can see, for example, error was in 729 and so on. For example, in 10,367 there was also an error. And right now we can, of course, show only lines that do not match the pattern. So for example, I will maybe again clear that. I will use grep file, and from, of course, file.txt, As you can see, this is a test file. But for example, if I want to type in something like this, I can type in something like this, and right now it will show me only the file, the words, the sentences that do not match the pattern. So for example, if I use this file without any option, it will show me the rest sentences, but I can type in something like this, so I will ignore and press this, and as you can see, because ignore allows me to take the file with no matter what size of letters, so I can right now type in something like this, and I don't get any results. So I think this is useful, and at the end, I will show you how to combine it with comments. So for example, I will display all processes by this comment, and as you can see, if I want to, for example, display only processes with word, I think, maybe bin, I will show only processes with the word bin. How do we do it? We can do it with pipes. I described how does it work in the video, how to combine comments with pipes, and we can do something like this. So for example, grep and bin, and as you can see, it showed me only the bin results. I think that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.